All right, got my little blanket on. Here we go. So this is what I promised you guys. This is going to be a simulated trading, as you can see up here. Basically, I have not been trading or I have not been swinging options in a long time. It's been quite a while. When I mean a while, I mean like it's been like 3 or 4 years. I've just been day trading uh, options and stocks, but not swing trading options. I have been swing trading stocks. So what I'm doing here is one of the things that I always preach, and that is basically before you start to go live on something, meaning before you start to use real money, you want to practice, right? And I always say, be profitable 6 months in a row. This is when day trading. Be profitable 6 months in a row before you actually turn it over to um, to live money, to real money, to a real account. So this is me doing what I preach. I basically, since I haven't been doing swing trading options for a while, I'm gonna start doing simulated trading, and I'm gonna be posting this on YouTube. So that's what this video recording is. It is live streaming. Um, it is right live streaming right now on Twitch. .tv, whatever, sticks underscore trades. That's the name of my channel. But I'm also making a video for YouTube as we speak. um, so here we go, and right now I'm just, and by the way, this is a simulated account, as I mentioned earlier. I am starting with $30,000 because that's what I start on my account every single month. And then, as you can see, no trades taken. 30,000 overall, zero, whatever. All right. So first things first, since I haven't used this simulated thing, SPY is completely blank. So I have to do my, where's a 180-day chart? Oh, this is a 180-day chart. My bad. So let's zoom out. Okay, that's as out as it'll go. All right. So first things first that I like to do, I like to draw my low points. So the lowest that has been in the past 180 days, and the highest that it's been in, which is now at 309. So I'm gonna draw it here. Well, I'm not gonna draw the high point. I am gonna draw another trend line. Excuse me. So I know the lines are not precise, but they are what they are. They're basically, making a these is bouncing from this trend line, meaning that this has to be a psychological, price point, and something along the lines of here as well. Now, again, this is only 180-day chart. This is very raw, very very raw drawings. This is just to give me an idea as to what's happening here. I hope this is recording right on YouTube, on for my YouTube. Yeah, Nanomix, I'm making the video right here. I'm making the video. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, so let's take a little bit closer look right here, and then so that's drawn. There's a 180-day. Let's go and look here. Actually, something I missed. All right. And let's go trade. Um, Normally I would do trade here. If I'm day trading options, I would trade from here, but we're swing trading, right? So, um, trade grid, nope, sorry. Underline, nope. Where's my options chain? Crap. Clicking them out there. Options chain. Um, I don't want this one. I want to go way out there, and I don't mean like a month from now. I kind of will feel, and this is going to be touch and go because I haven't done it in a while. Market's different than it was before. I think I'm getting a cold now. So let's shoot for. Let's shoot for either February or March. Let's shoot for February. Let's see what the prices look like. And at the moment, I'm looking at calls more than anything. Um, and it is 30,000. Oh, something I forgot to do. So let's go here and let's go here. There. So we're looking at delta and my theta. Of course, theta is going to be super small because we're looking at February, right? And then delta is still 50 cents. So for every dollar it moves, it's going to go up 50 cents. So that's not bad. Um, and it's $8. That means like one or two contracts is going to cost quite a grip, but that's okay. We want we'll go with the 310. So let's move that to purple. And then for this one, 48 and 50. We don't, do we want to go 48? Yeah, we'll go with this one too. But this one I'm going to send to green. Let's hope it did it. That one worked, but this one didn't. Oh, that's because it's, wait, why didn't it work? I hate it when it does that. Send to purple. There we go. All right. So if I'm swing trading, why in the world am I looking at a smaller chart, right? Because swing trades are pretty much based off of like even yearly charts. Let's go back to 180. So I do this, I pinpoint on the 5 minute and the 1 minute to get the best reading that I can possibly get. And let's switch over here. Let's see if this pans out. So here, let's test and see how much 10 contracts would cost. That's 8 grand. So let's stick with 5, only because again, and it's possible that I may end up losing money from 30,000. I may end up with like zero, and the whole point of this is to see if if what I'm doing works, right? So let's do 5, because 5 is gonna be 4 grand. Yeah, let's do 5. And I'm not doing that just yet. Look at that. It had a huge climb from, damn, that's a big climb this morning. Okay. So then I'm just trying to get the best price that I can. Actually, this is too far. I can't really see the candle. There we go. All right. So it's going to do the thing where it jumps up, then it dips down, then it's going to jump up again. And that's not to say that we can't take profit at that point, right? So I'm looking, this is SPY right now. I got to make sure I'm not buying SPY. Let's see here. We'll see how this plays out. In the meantime, while this is going, let me look at another stock that I like to look at, JNUG. And JNUG is dropping. So it reached the top of right here. Let's just say right here. That there, it's fine. It's kind of squeezing in between here. Does that mean that it's going to touch here and it'll go back up? or will it touch there and then just sink down? So, damn it, I keep, God dang, it's not cooperating with me today. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna put an alert here, because I need to know if it dips below. Alright. Alright, just to see if it dips below. And then the other one I want to look at is AMD. AMD's looking good. Again, just putting a low point. High point is here. I'm not touching that high point. I see that it's had a little bit of an issue here. Not issue, but touched, touched, touched. So there's some kind of resistance here, right? I think we can all say that. Is it gonna, it broke, like it keeps touching here and then falls, touches here, falls. So not only is there a resistance there, but some kind of little support here as well. It's looking good though for the breakout. That would be a triple top, I guess, if it touches that. And then this, is there something here? Okay, we'll keep an eye on this too. Let's go ahead and do an alert right here. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, right there's fine. All right, so AMD, JNUG. I mean, we could always flip it and go, ooh, JDST looks different. Like pretty, yeah. JDST actually looks flat, right? Versus JNUG. Interesting. And I think it's on its way down. So JNUG might be a good one to buy too. Look how low the RSI is. It is definitely. Why is this so far? I would say it is definitely oversold. And we could see a rise up. Alright, so. And what's SPY doing? SPY's still there. So let's do. Let's go to JNUG real quick. And let's do a trade. Again, damn, there's no February. So we'll go to here. And we'll have to assign. This is for calls, which I think it's what we're working on right now. So it's for March. Let's see, Delta looks like 58 and 5. That's not bad. It's $11. So let's send it to Maroon. Okay, there it is. What does JNUG look like on here? Okay, I'm gonna wait on JNUG a little bit. Or maybe not actually. I really should wait on JNUG just a little bit. Okay. So JNUG is maroon, and then what did I say? AMD, but AMD I wasn't sure yet. So right now let's go back to SPY, which was purple, because we're looking at buying SPY, right? We're looking at buying the calls, I think. I think is what we had said. Why does it keep like zooming out like that? Yeah. All right. So we said 5 contracts. Let's just go ahead and see what happens. Actually, no, it's not ready yet. This big solid candle just kind of took out. I mean, it's only a few cents, but look at it. I want to buy the lowest possible, right? That's what I want to go for. What's SPY doing? That's JNUG. SPY still dipping. Hmm. I hate that this is on its way down and I'm trying to trade it. I'm trying to catch the bounce back up. That's being very brave. I would normally wait for an up like this, for example, or something like that, but that's okay. Let's go back to SPY. Like this. This makes you feel more confident, except that I would be trading at the very top, and that's what's scary. All right, let's just go ahead and we don't try, it's not gonna happen, right? So it's just five. 5 contracts will cost about 4 grand. I remember this is just a test out here. All right, so 5 contracts of SPY, and then Maroon. Oops. Maroon is JNUG, right? So it looks like JNUG already came down some and then bounced back up. It's probably going to come down some. It's got to come down some and then it'll bounce back up again. So here's the part where like the conservative trader in me, I usually would wait for a bounce and then catch it right there while it's bouncing up instead of trying to catch it in anticipation that it's going to bounce. Because if I buy here and it keeps going down, and it doesn't bounce, it just keeps dropping, that is a lot of money to be lost here. So let's take a look. The smart thing would be to wait, but at the same time, I don't want to wait, and that's part of the problem that you get when trading with paper money is that those inner feelings, that gut feeling kind of goes out the window because it's fake money, right? So you feel braver doing things or stupider, I guess, in this case. But the reason, normally, I'm telling you, I would not trade this. I would wait for it to go down. I would wait. The problem is that it's already 11:12 and I don't feel like waiting. I actually got stuff to do, like play video games, and I got some errands to run, and I haven't eaten anything. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I just got a SPY call. Oh, that's that I bought. What? That's weird that it alerts me on my phone for a paper account money. Um. All right, so JNUG. We're looking at JNUG. This is see how it's going down. It would be silly for me to buy it now. It really would be. It would be dumb for me to buy it now. And look at the spread on this. So immediately when I buy it, I'm gonna be down already, like 50 cents or something like that. Plus, if it keeps going down, oh, let's find out how much. So this is gonna cost 5 grand. Okay, so we'll do five. I don't expect if there's a profit, I expect it to be maybe 120, 200 bucks, 300 bucks. I expect it to be very minimal. I don't think it'll be a high profit. All right, let's just do it. All right. So 5 and 5. All right. So then we'll see and we'll see what happens. Uh, don't do it, man. Yeah, no kidding, right? It's the this is one of the things that you have to fight when it comes to paper trading. It's, you have that gut feeling and you really should listen to it. At the same time, this is all the way in March, right? I did pick March. Yeah, in March. Oops. In March. So I think I'm okay still. I don't expect to keep it until March, but but yeah. So we'll see what happens. I mean, this is all kind of experimental. Trying to get back to the way I was. So see, look, you immediately buy it and you're already down. Although now it's going back up, so that's good. Anyhow, all right. So that's it for this one. I have bought up $47, $52. I mean, you could sell it now and take that money, I guess. I don't, that defeats the purpose of swing trading, but whatever. So there's JNUG, there's SPY, 5 contracts of each, 5,000 for JNUG, 4,000 for SPY. Um, that's it for now, 38 bucks, so it's dropping a little bit. Anyway, I will continue this video tomorrow to figure out what is going on. How did these trades, how are they panning out? Because if it's making a significant amount of profit, like 150 bucks, 200 bucks, I will go ahead and sell them and take that money, unless it's a clear indication on here that it's bouncing up. If I see a strong signal that it's going up, I will hold on to it maybe for another day. I don't know if I will hold on to it over the weekend. As far as SPY goes, uh, why is it zoomed out again? Anyway, as far as SPY goes, I am not sure either. What the hell is going on? There we go. Anyway, I'm not sure if I would hold it on to the weekend or not either. This is a little bit more because look, it's gonna be on the overbought area. But anyway, this might get sold tomorrow. Maybe it's a profit. Maybe it's I don't know. We'll see. Yep. I think that's all I have for y'all today. Um, other than that, that's basically it. It is get out of my phone so I can see what time it is. 11:16 a.m. Central Time right now. So that's it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Um, Hopefully we'll learn together. I'm sure I'm gonna make some mistakes here, especially since I haven't done this for a few years. Remember, I just want to make sure you guys understand this is paper trading. I don't recommend anybody trade without knowing, without being sure of your skills right away. So I'm not sure about my swing trading skills for the options, and therefore I am taking it to the simulated trading. All right, thanks again, everybody. Peace out.